Our first December in Japan, my partner woke up at Thram and said, "Why is it colder inside than outside?" We were in a modern apartment in Osaka, new construction, and we could see our breath. This is the thing nobody warns you about Japan. The country has heated toilet seats, bullet trains, vending machines every 50 meters, but most homes? No central heating. None. Today I'm going to tell you exactly why, and why, after 3 winters here, I've actually stopped missing it. Japan has one of the most extreme seasonal swings on Earth. Summers hit 35 degrees with 90% humidity. For centuries, Japanese architecture had one mission: ventilation. Traditional homes used thin shoji screens instead of solid walls, wide eaves to block summer sun, elevated floors to let air flow underneath. The entire structure was engineered to keep you cool, not warm. Cold winters were seasonal, endured, not engineered away. Here's what replaced central heating in Japan, and it's actually brilliant. Instead of heating an entire house, Japanese families heat only the room they're in. The kotatsu, a low table with a built-in heater and a thick blanket, has been the centerpiece of Japanese family life for 600 years. You sit under it, your legs are warm, the rest of you survives. Then there's the kerosene heater, pumping out serious heat fast, turned off the moment you leave. Plus aircon units in every room that do both heating and cooling. Japanese families literally chase warmth through their homes. Sounds exhausting, but household energy costs run about 40% lower. There's a phrase in Japan, geimen, patient endurance, bearing hardship with dignity. You see it everywhere: cold corridors, unheated classrooms, office workers in coats at their desks. This isn't poverty, this is philosophy. The Japanese relationship with seasonal discomfort runs deep, rooted in Zen and Buddhist thought. Winter is cold. You layer up. You find warmth in community, in food, in the kotatsu. Even if Japan wanted to retrofit central heating now, it would face massive obstacles. Most cities are densely packed with older housing, thin walls, poor insulation, no ductwork. Gas lines in many regions were built for cooking only. Installing central systems would mean tearing open walls in millions of homes. And then there's the earthquake factor. Complex vac systems under seismic stress are an engineering nightmare. Room-by-room units are modular, replaceable, and survive disasters better. That first winter, we made every mistake. We heated the whole apartment. Our electricity bill was extraordinary. We argued about the thermostat. By winter 2, we had a kotatsu, a kerosene stove in the living room, and we stopped moving through the apartment unnecessarily. And something shifted. The cold rooms became purposeful. The bedroom was for sleeping, not lounging. The kitchen was for cooking, not lingering. We started appreciating warmth more because we'd step out of it. Winter in Japan teaches you something central heating never will. Warmth is not a right, it's a reward. And the kotatsu, with your family's legs tangled under a heated blanket, might be the greatest invention in human history. If you're moving to Japan, or fascinated by how culture shapes the spaces we live in, subscribe. New video every week. Drop your winter story in the comments below.